Hey guys, it's Vicki Norris of Restoring Order. I want to talk about a dirty little secret that a lot of people have, and it's the fact that there's a shopping addiction. They are bringing a lot of stuff into the home. You know how it happens? You get a little lonely, a little bit bored, and you want to go out and be around people. And so you buy the coffee and you do a little shopping, add stuff to your cart. Pretty soon you come home with bags of stuff and you add it to the other bags of stuff. And I think there's this like thrill, this endorphins or something that are released when you're out there doing this. But the problem is then it piles up around you at home. So I just wrote a little blog about this, Get Organized to Save Money. And it's all about getting those returnable items back to the store. It's a simple little tutorial. But I just want to say to you, if that's you, if you've been accumulating, you are not alone. I really believe that loneliness is the greatest human condition, and that is really one thing that is huge on our heart at Restoring Order to resolve, by being out there with people, linking arms with them, helping them face down these issues, and helping them reclaim their life. I know you can do it. Read the blog, get inspired, and hey, send us an email, send us a message on social media, and let us know how you're doing. We'd love to support you here.